Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my entire luxury designer sneaker collection. I don't have a ton of sneakers, but I do enjoy wearing them. I wear them pretty much all the time and I don't need that many pairs of sneakers to fulfill my desires and my needs. But I also have very old sneakers in my collection which I don't wear anymore, but I still love and cherish them. I still want to keep them in my collection because I am just so very attached to them. We have nice memories together. So let's start with probably the oldest pair of sneakers that I have, and I think these were the first designer sneakers that I owned. So this is the first pair. These were my very first designer sneakers. They're from Gucci with the classic GG monogram over here with a little bit of green and red on this side, very classic of Gucci. At the bottom it says Gucci on both of these. As you can see, they look very beaten up, they look very loved and worn. I got them back in 2009 probably, a very long time ago, and I remember how much I wore them. They were my only designer sneakers, so I wore them every single day. I used to love the sneakers so much. I found them very comfy. They went with absolutely everything, and my style was sort of classic but sort of sporty at the same time. And I used to wear a lot of brown because I also had a Speedy in Dior band back then, and together they just looked so fabulous. I felt like the biggest fashionista out there. Next we have this very bright sneakers from Fendi, the sock sneakers. I think Fendi started the sock sneaker trend. I believe they were the first ones, and at first people were like, what the hell is this? This is a joke. And now when I look at them, they really do look like a joke in this color combination, because this pink is just too bright for me. And honestly, I love to have fun with colors. I love to mix and match colors, but at the same time this is way too much for me. I love the way they look on my feet and I generally like them. And I remember when they were just released, I saw Nicki Minaj wearing the same ones, but I believe it was this turquoise greenish color, and I was like, oh my god, I want them too. And then I saw them in pink, and you know how much I like pink. I was like, I need them in pink, and I just wish I waited a little bit longer for newer colors and newer designs, because I just don't know how to style them. I literally wore them 2 times. Also, another thing I wanted to mention is that they're so freaking delicate. I wore them twice and they have already a little bit of wear on this shoe, on this side. Maybe because, I don't know, they were rubbing against each other or something, but something definitely happened to them. Yeah, for now they're just sitting in the closet. The next pair are these Balenciaga Speed sneakers. Again, another sock sneakers. I saw them when they were just released and I fell in love. They were completely sold out, and I remember I couldn't find them anywhere. And then we went to visit our friend in Copenhagen. We went to the store, I asked about them, and the lady told me that the release will be the next day. So of course I had to come bright and early. I was one of the first ones in store looking for them, and I saw this black on black. They're completely black and I love this. I think they just go so nice with everything. You can style them with jeans, with skirts, shorts, dresses, and I just love how simple looking they are, and I was so obsessed with them. I wore them so much and they're still in like pristine condition. I don't think they're really my style, but I still like them, and I think they're just a very cool pair of sneakers, very edgy, and whenever I feel cool like a biker, I do wear them. Another older pair in my collection are these Jimmy Choos. I don't remember when exactly I bought them, but it was quite a long time ago. I believe it was about 5, maybe 6 years ago, and these were my first Jimmy Choos and my only Jimmy Choos. They're in this beautiful turquoise color. They have this suede leather together with the patent leather. I think they are so beautiful, but again, it's not really my style anymore, and this color, I find it very difficult to style. They're super comfy, nothing bad to say about them, but just not really my style anymore. This is the next pair of shoes. It's the Chanel CC tennis sneakers in the classic tweed with a little bit of suede on the front. The brown suede doesn't look brown anymore, it's sort of whitish because I wore them under rain and snow, and I was just obsessed with the shoes. We got them in Paris. My sister got the same pair but in purple color, and she also still wears them. we just love these shoes because they're so comfy. The color and that it's in tweed material, this wool looking material, make them look so wintry, and these shoes are perfect for fall and winter. I just love the vibe. They look so cozy, they look so warm and nice, and they do keep me warm and nice. And also I just love how comfortable they are. All Chanel sneakers are honestly the best comfort wise. If you're looking for a good designer pair of sneakers, go to Chanel, you won't regret it, because all of them are so soft and comfy. I love the color combination, the brown and like caramel color and a little bit of bronze over here is just, it's just beautiful, and it goes with everything. So these sneakers are definitely one of my favorite ones. The next we've got this fabulous Miu Miu Crystal embellished sneakers in black patent leather with silver hardware on the cap toe with these beautiful crystals. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these sneakers. I got them about 2, maybe 3 years ago, and I'm obsessed. They're really comfy. I was surprised because it's patent leather and usually it's a little bit harder and not that comfy, I would say, but I love the look of them. I love the good bling bling on my shoes. They look so nice and they go with so many things. I can easily style them with jeans, with shorts, with skirts, with dresses. They go with everything, and I love the color that it's black. I love that it's patent. It's so shiny, and together with the crystals it just works. I don't have anything bad to say about these sneakers, honestly. I got them in Monaco Miu Miu boutique, and I was surprised they had them. They only had one pair and it was in my size, luckily, 37.5. Super comfy. Love them. Next I've got this Fendi slip-on sneakers with the flowers in the beautiful lilac color. These sneakers are honestly the cutest. I have never seen anything cuter, anything prettier, but at the same time they are so difficult to style. I believe back then flowers and cute pastel colors was my thing. Well, it's not really anymore. I prefer something a little bit more sporty, and flowers just don't go with everything you wear. It's definitely easy to style them with jeans and t-shirts, but at the same time flowers is what makes them a little bit difficult to style. The next pair is another slip-on pair, and these ones are from Dolce & Gabbana. I also got them on sale about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, in the beautiful leopard print. I don't have anything in leopard, but I find it so easy to style with other things because it's like a mixture of caramel color and brownish color and black, and they have a lot of like graffitis or like little drawings with the stars and the crowns, and it has a little bit of red. I love this. At the bottom it has this huge blocks in red and black. It just looks so cool. I wear them quite a lot. I think they look so beautiful. They make my feet look so cute and narrow, and they're also pretty comfy. I love that they're super breathable because all of this is fabric material. I'm not sure what it is, but it's this stretchy fabric material, so I really love them and would highly recommend for every day. Next I've got this amazing Chanel sneakers, the CC sneakers. They're in this gray nylon material with a little bit of white lambskin, I believe, and also the suede leather around them in black. I think they're so beautiful. I love the bottom of the shoes and they're just so gorgeous. I got them 2 years ago in Cannes. They were completely sold out everywhere, and I've decided to test my luck. I went to the store, I asked for them, and the sales associate came back with these sneakers in my size, 37.5. I thought I was so lucky and I immediately got them. They're by far the most comfortable sneakers that I own. One of the most. I have 2 most comfortable sneakers, and I'm going to talk about the second pair a little bit later. They are perfect for fall, winter, spring, nighttime, daytime, whatever you want. They go with everything. I think they're just fabulous, so stunning, and Chanel, you can never go wrong with Chanel. The next sneakers that I have are these Louis Vuitton Arclight sneakers in white color with blue and baby pink at the back. They also have this little monogram loop. I don't know what it's made for, but whatever. It's a nice little detail at the back. I love these shoes. I got them about a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago, can't remember. They were also one of those sneakers that were were so difficult to find. They were sold out everywhere. Everybody wanted them. Everybody was wearing them. They were such a big trend, and even now I think they're quite popular. They come in a lot of different colors. My whole family is now obsessed with them after I introduced them to my family. So my mom has the same pair in different color. My little sister has the same pair but in different color. We all love the sneakers. You can even wear them in winter and you won't feel cold because of the chunky bottom that they have, the chunky sole. One thing is that we went to this music festival last summer and I wore them and it was so dusty. There was sand everywhere and now they look yellowish a little bit. I tried washing them but it didn't really work, so now they don't look as white anymore. The next sneakers are the D-Connect sneakers from Dior in this beautiful navy color. I love the sneakers, the look of them and everything, but the first time I wore them, they gave me so many blisters and I was surprised how uncomfortable they are. I never had such bad experience with any sneakers that I own, so I was so scared for a long time to wear them again because, you know, I love my feet. I don't want them to get hurt, and that's why I was trying to avoid the sneakers. I was trying to even sell them, but then I spoke to my SA. I explained her the situation and what a shame it is. I was honestly saying some nonsense, so here's the voiceover. So basically my SA told me to go get some band-aids. I bought the silicone ones, high quality ones. I stick them inside the shoe where I was getting hurt and it works like magic. I don't know if I would recommend them that much. I think they're beautiful, but you have to be aware that they're not that comfy. Next are my second most comfortable shoes, and they are this, I think they're called Montard Stellar shoes from Louis Vuitton. I love them so much. They have this fur on the inside. They are so soft. They keep my feet nice and toasty. They keep them warm. These shoes are the reason I've stopped wearing boots during winter because they replace them all. They replace all shoes for me. I used to love Uggs for the comfort. Not anymore. I don't care about Uggs. These are the shoes I go for and I wear them so much every day during winter, like end of fall, winter, beginning of spring. I just live in these shoes. They have this very simple looking design. They've got a little bit of a monogram around here. There is a zip closure, so they're super easy to put on and off. The zipper has again this cute little monogram detail over here, and to me they don't really look like Louis Vuitton. If people aren't familiar with their like flowery details, they won't know that it's Louis Vuitton, and I love that about them. They go with everything. I even wore them with a silk dress and they still looked fire, so I would highly recommend them. And the last pair are the newest addition to my sneaker collection, are these Louis Vuitton sneakers. I think they're called Timeout sneakers. They're from the previous collection, but I bought them at the end of June. We went to Barcelona for a day and I think I even filmed a vlog about that. I'm not sure if I did, but if I did, I'll link it above here so you can check it out as well. But I bought the sneakers and I love them so much. I wanted a white pair of sneakers and I love that they have this LV logo in orange color. Orange is, I don't know, it just looks so beautiful. For some reason I'm just so attracted to orange right now, and also it has a little bit of rose color over here, like a stripe, and also another stripe in gold. They go with everything, so easy to style, very casual but still cute. And at the back again they have this cute LV flowers. I still didn't have much time to wear them because it was boiling hot outside, but once it gets a little bit cooler here in Geneva, I'll definitely start wearing them a lot more, and they go so well with a lot of the things from my collection, so I'm just so excited about them. So there you go guys, my entire designer sneaker collection. What did you think? What was your favorite pair? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!